Good morning to everyone. For you late sleepers that have never experienced an early morning sunrise with glassy flat water, we are trolling a flasher, cut plug herring, and hopefully we can hook into a nice big Chinook salmon, enjoying this beautiful sunrise. All the very best, and to you new viewers that are seeing this for the first time, I want to welcome you to Doxy's under Puget Sound. And if you'd like to email me with some ideas of areas that you might like to salmon fish, THOKE film at yahoo.com. Nothing better than watching a beautiful sunrise while we're trolling at 2.3 knots. I'm using a flasher of any size, doesn't matter, but 52 inches of leader. Aha. And on the next YouTube coming up, maybe I should go through some trolling techniques for you guys. But right now, let's enjoy the early morning troll. For you latecomers out of bed that have never seen this, enjoy. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.